I'm going to show you guys how to make my favorite version of lemon poppy seed granola that you are going to want to munch on for days and days and days. It is so delicious. It uses tahini, which is the secret ingredient, which helps to kind of bind the granola up together into delectable little crumbles. It makes it crunchy, believe it or not, and oh my god, it's just so good. It's got that delicious lemony tang and the fragrant flavor and smell of the poppy seeds. I've been eating it a lot lately in granola bowls and parfaits. I've been just eating it on its own. It's just so good, you guys, and I hope you love it. So let's just get right into the recipe. Alright, so let's start by whipping up our wet mix first. So grab yourself a large mixing bowl and add a 1/4 cup of tahini plus a 1/4 cup of maple syrup for that lovely, delicious sweetness, plus 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract. Grab 1 large lemon and you're going to take the zest of that 1 lemon, add it to the bowl. You can use a microplaner or a box grater, and then add the juice of that lemon as well, plus 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar, and whisk that all together until it's a well combined liquid mixture. Then grab yourself a baking tray or an air fryer basket and pour in 3 cups of rolled oats. Spread it out until it's in a nice even layer. Then you're going to toast that in the oven until it's slightly golden, I'd say about 10 minutes or so. And then you're going to chop up 1 cup of pecans until they are in small-ish pieces, kind of like this. It can just be roughly chopped. And then once the oats have toasted, let them cool down for a moment until they're cool enough to handle, and then simply add them to the bowl of wet mix, plus 1/2 cup of almond flour and the chopped pecans. And then simply add in a couple tablespoons of poppy seeds, and we're going to mix that all together until it is a well combined sticky granola mixture, and every piece of oats and nuts have been coated in the wet mix. It's gonna smell so good. Spread it out until it's in a thin, even layer on your baking tray or air fryer basket, and then pop that bad girl in the oven and bake her up until she's nice and golden and crispy, and then let it cool in the pan. It will harden up as it cools so that you're able to break it up into chunks like you see here. I personally love to have big chunks of granola, but you can totally crumble it up into even smaller pieces, whatever is your preference. Once it's cooled completely, make sure you put it in a resealable container so you can store it. If you want it to be extra crunchy, make sure you keep your granola in the fridge. You can thank me later. Give me some of that. Look at that. Well, I hope your taste buds are totally tantalized. If you're gonna make it, make sure you let me know in a comment, and if you do, tell me how it went. I'd love to know how you enjoyed it. If you like this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel below, and I really appreciate all of you subscribers. You guys mean the world to me. Your support is just so appreciated. It really helps me grow my channel. Thanks again for tuning in, and I hope to see you guys in a future or past video. Bye!